Nurses, elected officials, and other healthcare professionals came together today. They want to make sure all hospitals have what they call safe staffing ratios.
Well, the rain didn't stop a large gathering outside of Hahnemann University Hospital this afternoon. Nurses and healthcare professionals unveiled a petition demanding safe staffing, in Philadelphia hospitals.
Nurses picketed in front of Hahnemann today, demanding higher staffing at hospitals around Philadelphia. Union leaders, healthcare workers, and elected officials held signs saying the ratio of nurses to patients is unsafe.
Even in today's rain, nurses from Temple, Einstein, Hahnemann, St. Christopher's, and Delaware County Memorial came out to say they want to make sure there are an appropriate amount of nurses at all hospitals. They unveiled a citywide petition to challenge what they're calling unsafe practices.
They regularly ask us as nurses to take on too many patients and work on units we are not trained for. I think everyone here knows that our hospital isn't the only one that isn't putting patients and their caregivers at the center. The trend in healthcare is to try to do more with less.
Some hospitals are worse than others, but they're unsafe in all of them. They need to be fixed.
Let's be very clear. The nurses, you are where the rubber meets the road.
That's why I stand here with passionate leadership and, most important, you on the front line.
You're not only taking care of what's going on in our ERs and in our hospital rooms and other places, you're taking care of it on the streets. And when you come out here and you fight for safe staffing, when you fight and talk about what it means to take care of people genuinely, you make sure that low-income and impoverished people who come to our hospitals and emergency rooms are taken care of justly as much as the wealthiest people in this city.
I want to call on the leadership of each of those institutions for the benefit of residents throughout the city of Philadelphia, because our public health and our public safety comes before anybody's bottom line. Before anybody's bottom line, public safety and public health. So I want you to know that we're here. We're here, and we're with you, but I'm just not into sexy. I'm into getting to the table, negotiating, and let's hammer out a deal.
The protesters also unveiled a petition signed by thousands of workers.
Studies have shown that appropriate nurse staffing results in fewer medical errors, better recoveries, and reduced complications. Thousands of nurses at other local hospitals have signed similar petitions.
Out here today to unveil our petition that was signed by over 3,000 PASNAP members, demanding that the hospitals with whom we are negotiating have safe staffing in the contract so that we can do our jobs safely and that the patients are cared for safely.
I rely on you. I stand with you for staffing levels at all levels in every department in our healthcare system. Not just me, with city council, elected officials, and the city of Philadelphia.
The group says that higher staffing results in better patient outcomes and fewer deaths.
We hope that our community will stand together with us to push all of our employers to make patient care the #1 priority in every hospital in Philadelphia.
That's right.